Hello, and thank you so much for stopping by Arizona Savings Book. We are so proud to be celebrating our 10th annual Prescott Area Book and are very excited about our upcoming Verde Valley book that arrives in October. The Prescott Area Book is our best book yet. We have over 100 dining and entertainment venues with 20 unlimited use, 60 6-time use, and 25 single-use coupons. The books are valid until December 31st, 2013, and have over $2,000 in value. You can purchase books below with free shipping, and we even offer free books with the purchase of 3 or 5 books. These books make amazing gifts for holidays, employees, clients, and friends, so please think about that. This is also the best and easiest fundraiser ever. How easy do you think it would be to sell something that everyone uses, is valid until December 31st, 2013, has over a $2,000 value, and is only $20? Your group makes between $10 and $12 per book. We give you a unique website to sell even more books. We have banners to help you sell books in front of stores, and Arizona Savings Book is better than any other book or card in the area. And there's absolutely no risk to your charity. Your group can easily make over $10,000 with this project. There are over 100 dining and entertainment coupons, and almost every one is worth more than the cost of the book. The book has almost every fast food, Coco's, Denny's, IHOP, Fine Dining, Sun Dogs, Prescott Golf and Country Club, Heritage Park Zoo, Out of Africa, and so much more. Contact us anytime and we'll give you more information and help you get started. We are also a local company and are very motivated to help you succeed. How about the best advertising source in northern Arizona? We offer 18 months exposure without getting thrown away. Nobody else offers this. Exclusive for your type of business, low investment, and virtually free because we give you free books equal to your ad investment. These books would not be possible without the support of the businesses that advertise in the book, and we would truly appreciate your supporting the businesses whenever possible. Thank you again for visiting Arizona Savings Book, and we wish you a savings-filled year.